The other marketing, people don't know that you exist. The technology, the GemLightbox that I love. Once I do engagement ring and the customer happy, that's my reward. Just care about your customer, not that you got paid and you don't know them.
Hello and welcome to Digital Jewelers, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of jewelry and the brilliant minds driving innovation and growth in the industry. I'm your host, Marius, and today we have a truly inspiring episode about scaling a small business into a world-renowned jewelry brand. Joining us today is Lior Elgrissi, founder of Elgrissi Diamonds, a company that started as a small factory and grew into a globally recognized diamond retail and wholesale business. Over the past 5 decades, Elgrissi Diamonds has built a reputation for excellent craftsmanship and customer satisfaction, serving clients all over the world. Lior, welcome to the show. We're excited to hear your story.
Thank you for having me.
Awesome. So it's good to have you here. So every great business starts with a vision. Can you take us back to the early days? How did Elgrissi Diamonds begin and what was the original goal when starting out?
Well, it's a family business that my dad owned a factory for we cut and polish loose diamond. I started here in the States as a wholesaler, worked with a lot of retailer, chain store and stuff. Realized that I want to go bigger and get into more to the jewelry business, more to B2C, as the profits it get much higher and stuff than you do as the wholesaler. I love working with the customer, make a custom jewelry for them, see their reaction. It's much more satisfies me as a business. And of course, the customer service is the highest priority for me. This is what will bring you up and have customer coming back to you. As when the customer give them the attention that they want and deserve after they're spending a lot of money with you, they will definitely send their friend, a family member, and that's how you grow up.
Yeah, definitely. It's a very important part of business. What were some of the biggest challenges in the early years and how did you overcome them?
Well, I can tell you in the past 2 years, as for me, I knew only about natural diamond and the lab-grown diamond came in, so it was a big challenge. Because you don't necessarily believe in this product, but you have to read the map and know that the new generation, they care less about the natural diamond, about all the story behind it. And you have to adjust yourself and be the first to adjust your business and have another department for lab-grown and do jewelry with lab-grown. As many factories in the Far East didn't want to even consider manufacture jewelry with lab-grown. And this day, after 2 years, everyone open for it, and 95% of the sale are lab-grown. So you always need to read the map and see where is the business taking you.
Yeah, definitely. During all these years, was there like a big moment or was there many big moments that led you to, what really grew the business?
Not really. You always want to grow up your business, and then in the diamond jewelry business, as a wholesale, by every year, it's the wholesale goes slow and there is less sale and the diamond prices drop a lot. You always need to think out of the box and see how can I do different department and then have more sales. So when you start with the diamond, natural diamond, you can do lab-grown, you can do jewelry, engagement ring, and you just like do more. Never give up about what you started, but just do more department, more stuff to sell.
And building a world-renowned brand takes strategic decisions and adaptability. What were some key steps that you took to scale Elgrissi Diamonds from a small factory to a globally recognized business?
Take it step by step. You don't ever think you can go big fast. To be slow, put your money, it's a lot of money that you put today on marketing. When I want to do jewelry, and you want to do the B2C, it's very easy to spend money on marketing and get no results. So you need to know what you do. Pick up the right SEO marketing guy. Just don't throw your money like
Expanding a business usually comes with growing pains. What were some of the biggest challenges as you scaled and how did you overcome them?
The biggest challenge in our business, in wholesale, is collect money. It's always like sometimes you don't sleep at night, especially when there's rough time, so people have no money to pay. You have to take it easy and slow, and also I try not to sell as a wholesaler to one company, big amount, just divided. Have a lot of customers, small customer, and lower your risk.
For jewelers or small business owners out there looking to expand their operations, what advice would you give to them about scaling sustainably and successfully?
Just take it step by step. There's no way that you open a business, especially as a jewelry, get a customer, not happen in a day. So you need to know that you are ready for it, you have the capital for it, and the marketing, the put money on the marketing is the key.
And are there any common mistakes that you're seeing with business owners or entrepreneurs as they're starting out? Common problems or pitfalls that you see emerging that you can tell us about?
People have a dream that everybody wants to be success. And again, you have to work for it, put your money, and some people just have investor, and when they work, it's not really their money, and they spend it, they are not calculate their steps, and that's how they lose their money very fast. And their dreams.
It's important to, be very, mindful there as well. I guess over the years, customer preference has evolved and successful brands have to adapt as well. How has the demand for custom jewelry and diamond engagement rings influenced Elgrissi's growth?
When you work with customers, they want their attention, especially when they do customer ring. You always want to be in touch with them during all the process of creating the right engagement ring for them. Once you do the card, the rendering, you want to share it with them, see their reaction, if they have any comment, if they want to change anything, get them involved. They want to be involved in this process. And again, they spend a lot of money, and it makes them feel good. And also, after you're done with that, always make sure to be in touch with them, see how everything go, if the partner love the ring, because they tend to be your family. Always be with them along the way.
Have you noticed any design trends or customer buying behaviors that have shifted over the last few years?
Not really. I do mostly bridal jewelry. I'm more like classic. I'm not in the fashion stuff, so for me, it's stayed the same. Fashion, it's a different story. It's keep changing all the time, and once you stock inventory, you can be stuck with it.
I guess technology has played a major role in modern businesses expanding as well. Has technology helped Elgrissi Diamonds scale over the last few years, whether through e-commerce, marketing, manufacturing advancements?
Well, mostly marketing, yeah, because without the marketing, people don't know that you exist. Of course, we have the technology, the GemLightbox that I love. Again, we go back to marketing. You need to have the right video images capture, and you want to upload them, so you need a good. It's not easy to take picture of jewelry. The diamond has a reflection, so thank God we have this GemLight technology, and it helps us a lot.
It's great to hear. Thanks for sharing. Have you found that social media or online retail has changed the way that people are engaging with their customers?
Absolutely. Social media, especially Instagram, it's help us to people recognize you as branding, and most of our marketing go to Instagram today. Google and Instagram.
So now we have some quick fire questions for you. So I'll ask the question, you just say the first thing that comes to mind, no pressure. The biggest lesson that you learned from scaling your business?
To spend your money on any idea. Overthink. Once you make sure you're ready, go for it.
The hardest part of expanding internationally?
If you want to go B2C, the challenge is accepting credit card payment, let's call it this way. There's a lot of fraud out there. Even here in the USA, you need to make sure you secure yourself. That's why I don't sell internationally, unless it's a wholesale customer.
Most rewarding moment in your career?
Once I do engagement ring, and the customer happy, that's my reward. When after they propose and they send me the picture, that's my reward.
And the key to customer loyalty?
Care. Just care about your customer. Not that you got paid and you don't know them. Be care, be involved, and welcome them to be part of your family.
Definitely. And I guess lastly, one piece of advice for small business owners looking to grow?
Just go slow, especially these days. Go slow. That's the key.
Well, Lior, this has been a really incredibly insightful discussion. Before we wrap up, where can our listeners learn more about Elgrissi Diamonds and how can they connect with you?
Everyone can go to my website, elgrissidiamonds.com. Say everything about us, like how we started, what do we do. They can contact us. We are 24/7 available for our client.
That's amazing. Well, thanks so much for sharing your journey with us and insights into the industry. The growth of your business is truly an inspiration, and we really love that we've been a part of it as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah. And thank you to all of our listeners for tuning into Digital Jewelers. Don't forget to subscribe, rate and review our podcast on your favorite platforms. We'll see you next time for another brilliant episode, and don't forget to keep shining.